What's up, everyone? Another We Love Inflation video. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to assemble everything. You should have a few basic components. One would be the actual compressor. Two would be rubber hose, the actual gauge that just attaches to the rubber hose, and then there's a 17-piece accessory kit. Now, both of these are a little redundant, so if you have this, you should be set, but I'll go over this in a second. First is just open the box. Some of you, this is the corner cable. This is a little bit larger size. Some of you might have, I forget the name of it actually, but the 3-gallon, which is just fine. You basically have the machine part and the tank, so the compressor and the tank, your gauges that show how full the tank is, and then a plug on-off switch here. Take your hose. Maybe. And this should just be able to screw into the compressor. You can use this front one here, has a little cap on it. Maybe. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Well, this is how you know it's not staged. So maybe you do need this 17-piece accessory kit. And what we'll use in here are one of the couplers. So let me open this real quick. Okay, so one of these couplers here attached with this female coupler, you basically just screw this part onto this and it'll be tight. You pull this back here, insert, and that locks on. And then this part will be able to screw in to this piece here. And you can just turn it on like this. Again, screws on, should be set. Hand tighten, adjust. And then, other side. Let's see what this needs. This actually can just screw right on here. And this is what you'll actually use to inflate the tires and everything. So that should be your full setup. Now, to test. Plug it in, turn it on. So this was letting air out, and that just needs to be tightened. So once that's tightened, let's try this again. Turn it on. So in this case, I can hear a little air coming out of here. It just needs to be tightened, but it's still holding pressure, you can see from this gauge. So you'll be able to go and you could fill up air. So those will be some of the issues you might see as you get it together, but it's all pretty straightforward. Nice.
Thanks.